everyone, it's me Ginzaiman. Assalamu alaikum. Today I am back with another product which is Philips curler. It's something I have ordered again from Daraz, and I am going to show you the price. Here I have the purchase summary which says, here you can see it's Philips Essential Hair Curler Style Care. It's the same, and it cost me 9,375 rupees. And probably it was of 10,000 rupees, but after discount it was of like 9,375 rupees. Okay, so I am going to unbox it today. First of all, they say it has ceramic plates and it has 200 degrees centigrade high heat temperature and has 16 millimeter barrel. I don't know it's millimeter or whatever, but barrel. Okay, and then they say for bouncy curls and ringlets it is. And why I ordered this product, it's due to the ceramic plates because they claim. So I'm gonna see, they have put some things on it, some features. The same 16 ceramic, 200 Celsius, 60. Yeah, there's one great thing about it, that it gets all heated up in only 60 seconds. So it's a very good thing, and it comes with a long wire cord. It's also a good thing, and comes with a 2 years guarantee. So let's check now. Let's open this. Okay, we're going to take it out. Oh, nice. Yes, we have some instructions page. Oh no, it's not for my use. At least I'm not gonna read it. And then we have a guarantee warranty card. It's this way. Okay, and then we are going to see the product, which is here. Oh, nice. I ordered it in black color. And so first of all, we're gonna see the wire, because the problem I face most of the time while curling my hair, because I run out of the wire, and because my switchboard is a little bit far away from my dressing table, so I really need a length, long wire cord, and it has, so it's a good thing. Then we have this curler, and it's in white and black color, and apparently the plate seems very nice. One thing to notice, in Pakistan, when you order a product like Philips or from other brands like Remington, Kune or some, you do not know whether it's original or not. So here is the proof for that, how you get to know if it's real, original or not. It's this way. Wait, I am going to show you. I don't know if it's, oh yeah, you can see how Philips is carved on the many sides of this product itself. Here you can see Philips, and then on the other hand here you can see Philips, and then I have seen it on the one more side of the product. I don't know, but it was carved on one more side. Yeah, so this is how you probably get to know if this product is original or not. So this is original because I ordered it from the flagship store of Philips, and it came from Karachi. So now we are going to heat it up and going to see if it does really get heat up in only 60 seconds. My brother is going to help me out in this, and going to plug it. Okay, so we are here, and I have turned it on. It's cool right now, but let's see. Yeah, and it's how this is the button where when we need to turn it on, we just do it, and the lights get turned on, and that's how we know that it's turned on. Okay, we are gonna see if it does really get all the heat up in only 60 seconds. It's a very bad way to test the product, but still I am doing this. Okay, but I can smell it. It's hot now. Okay guys, one thing I am noticing which is very bad, I think this plate as well gets hot, and you know, I have very chances to get my hand burned. But let's see. My sister is gonna try on her hair if she can. Okay, she has very oh nice. Okay, you can see now. You can see here. Wait, these are really bouncy curls. Can you leave it, Shanza? Head this way. Okay, we are not doing the whole you know, head, but you can see it's good. It's good one. It also gives you a shine because it has ceramic plate, so you know, it causes less damage to hair, and also it gives you shine while curling your hair. So it's a good product overall, but I would say it has a lot of you know, cons. On the other hand, why and how it does not give as much shine as I was expecting, because you know, because ceramic plates are supposed to give you shine and cause less damage, while I noticed that it does not give as much shine as it should. And second thing, it has, you know, this very con side of it, that both plates gets heat up, and because they are not very you know, safety. But yeah, there is this one, but still, you know, I have chances to get my hand burned because I already did. So I am saying maybe it's not for you. The problem is not for you. So here's your product. It's a good one, but it does not give your hair that much shine as it should. But the good thing that it does not cause a lot of damage. It was not smoky at all. You know, when you're curling your hair, it does not give any smoke, you know, like the other straighteners or curlers do. When you are straightening or curling your hair are literally burning, and you can totally see that they are burning. So this is a good thing. This was my whole review and unboxing. I hope you like my video here, but she didn't agree on doing the, you know, whole head, but just because she did 2 strands, so now she's flexing over and over again. Guys, anyways, this was my whole video. I hope you liked it. Thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.